My name is Dakshitha and my age is 21. I go to University of Adelaide studying computer systems engineering and I'm currently in my third year. So what I would like to say about Uni Adelaide is it's one of the best unis in Australia, especially the best in South Australia, so to say. And also it is recognized for its sciences and also its engineering faculties. So that's mainly why I chose Adelaide. Why I chose Australia was because, mainly because of its cultural diversity and because of its future perspectives that I could get with regards to the technological advancements in the world. So about my degree, like I said, it's computer systems. Why I chose it was because it had a fine balance between software engineering as well as electronics. I thought this would be best for me because this provided with useful information in both the hardware side as well as software side, essential in the industries today. How the university prepared us for this degree? They apart from the theory, they also each semester we are given a project that we have to do, a practical project that will be supervised under PhD students or other lecturers, and each year it increments and is a part of the theory that we learn. Since I'm new to this whole learning engineering thing, the university actually helped me a lot with getting used to the studies and settling in and all that. Well, for starters, the university has a special program called PASS program, which means it's a peer assessment study session held by either your senior guy to you or maybe a lecturer or even a PhD guy who will come to you on, let's say, with a class of 5 or 6 students, and then try to teach you on one-on-one as much as possible. So this happens every week. And with other matters, we always have an international student center that we can talk to, and they always help us out with anything relating to accommodation, fees, or even our studies. So the university actually helped us a lot with these facilities. Well, with regarding to setting trends and meeting standards, the university is well aware of this, and for example, with the practicals that we are given, it's always related to something with the industry and something with current trends, rather than learning something old and something that's out of fashion. With other degrees, I know some people who work in state-of-the-art labs and do research and all that. So when they get into the workforce, they will be ready and they will be prepared for this. So Australia is one of the best places to live in the world. As you know, it doesn't have a lot of political turmoil, and that's exactly the reason. And standards of living are really high over there, especially for professionals like engineers, doctors, dentists, or even scientists. Australian engineers are well recognized all over the world, and it's mainly because of their capability to deliver what the client wants, and also how they were brought up as being engineers, especially with the practical side of things, and also with well-fed theoretical side when they were taught. Moving into accommodation, I live in a student accommodation managed by uni, and I live with 3 other guys, just like myself, only that they are not studying the same degrees as me. But I found it to be really a life-changing experience because I never came out of the house, or I wasn't really sent out of the house. So when I was put with 3 unknown strangers, I actually I had to move out of my comfort zone and make friends, and I found it to be really challenging at first, but it really paid off because after a while you find friends who will change you and will help you throughout your life. And also, well, you get to meet people all over the world. You get to know their cultures and all that. And also, main thing is, well, you learn to cook and you learn to manage yourself, which I found really hard, but hope I managed. So at the start of this year, Sinek has joined hands with our university and has agreed to give you guys in Sri Lanka a chance to do the first 2 years of various engineering courses, and then link it with our university in Australia. Well, as far as I know, this is a good choice to make, solely because of the fact that it's a good way to save a lot of money. As you know, going to Australia and studying there for the full 4 years is going to be expensive, and also this program is managed under strict quality control. Therefore, there's no hidden cards up their sleeves or anything like that, so you don't need to worry about that. It's all managed by the University of Adelaide and their quality guidelines. These are 2 reasons why I would choose it if I had to repick a uni as well as a place to go to. I would do this. And the third reason would be because you get to, well, you get the best of both worlds, right? You do your first half of your degree in Sri Lanka at the comfort of your home, and then you get the chance to go to Australia while you are in your mindset, so in your university mindset, and then go out there, meet new people, and then finish your degree, and then hopefully find PR or something. Also about Adlocate, these guys have done a terrific job over the years, and I can't thank them enough for all their hard work and their tireless efforts to send us through without any problems. And yeah, so I am really grateful for them, and yeah, I thank the Adlocate team for helping me out, helping me choose a university in Australia and help me settle in. Thanks.